What's up, guys? This is the second part to a video that will be uploaded in 2 days, with my cousin here, because there's no video for tomorrow, so it'll be uploaded one day, but it's for makeup day. But we're playing World of Warships, and, let's start and see how we do. Let's see. I'm using the Tier 4 American ship, the Wyoming, and my cousin is using the Japanese ship, the Wakatake. Uh,
That's
so,
close.
and
Probably.
what?
That's close, probably.
Probably. But, as stated in the last video, we're not anywhere near pros at this game. Uh, but looks like we have a Langley, a Turin, a Wix, a Turin, a Kuma, and a Turin on our side. So two Turins, a Langley, a Wix, a Kentucky, and a Wyoming. But I'm hoping to get the Tier 5 New York soon. Otherwise, there will be no change for a while on these videos. Um, I may start up a second series on this channel. You'll just need some more suggestions. Other than PUBG.
Not directed at me.
It may have been. My cousin is the one who commented on that. No, I love PUBG. I just play. It's just we couldn't get a recording to work together. My file got corrupted or something on my phone. That's the only way I can describe that. It showed an hour, 28 minutes, 48 seconds when I hit the video. Wouldn't let me play. I tried to skip, and it's like, no, video won't let you play it. So I ended up having to delete that footage, but... And so PUBG is not going to be played for a while until I can figure out what to do. I hit their main battery.
Oh, goodness.
Are you dying?
I'm tired.
You're what? You're on fire?
I'm fine. It's fine.
I'm fine. Just a flesh wound. Just a flesh wound. Man, I only got one hit on that entire time. But, as stated in the last video, I'm on a family vacation, so that's why I won't be posting tomorrow. Nor recording tomorrow, so if you happen not to see me, that should be why. But it seems as we're gonna lose this one, but
Oh, I think so. Yes, I think so.
yeah.
You're gonna die very soon.
Nah, oh.
I die faster than you.
I think they hit the main batteries.
Yeah.
Either that or the ammunition storage. Uh,
A solid attempt.
yeah. So. Um, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Probably will be Thursday or Friday. I still haven't figured out that schedule, but like, comment, subscribe. As always, have a good day, week, or end year.
Goodbye.
See you guys in the next video. Bye. Hold up.